Hello, Chef here. I thought I would share a little plating techniques with you today here. I'm just finishing up a Polynesian Mahi Mahi dish, and I thought I'd give you a couple of steps along the way. So first of all, this is what the fish looks like. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty good. I think I'll zoom in on there for you. And this Mahi Mahi is pretty nice looking right there. I must confess it was not fresh. This is frozen Mahi Mahi. Comes from the Pacific or the Atlantic Ocean. And wow, you can do a lot of things with it. So this particular Mahi Mahi has a blend of Cajun spices, some herbs, a little olive oil, and wow, it's been broiling. It looks good. Yeah. So while this is just finishing up here, I thought I'd give you a little plating technique video. So I got this awesome rice simmering in a chicken stock. It's just about there. I've got these amazing Brussels sprouts. Look at those things. Yeah. And I got this clove of garlic, so you know what's happening next. If you've been following along with my videos, Thor's hammer. I like to smash the garlic like that because that way it's already crushed, it's easy, it's good to go, and that is the professional method. I want you to follow along and pick up some of these professional tips. Not all the stuff you see on TV. By the way, ceramic knife here. Yeah, this is called a edge guard knife guard right here. So you can score both of these at the sponsor. And that's pretty important. You got to have the good stuff. So real quick, a little bit of a chop on the garlic. Oh, it's good to go. I'm done. Wow. Yeah. Name the tool in the comments, please. Here we go. We're going to do a quick saute of the garlic. And for that, I'll be moving over. I've got a hot wok here. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Garlic goes in. Yeah. And we let it cook just a little bit. That garlic is browning really quickly, and all of my Brussels sprouts go right in. Just like that. And you let it cook. Okay, here we go. So now you're wondering what other tricks I got for you. So right there, if you've been paying attention, you already know what's in the pot. Oh yeah, that right there is a perfectly prepared rice pilaf with a hearty chicken stock. If you're not sure about how to make rice pilaf, no problem. Subscribe right there and search it in the chef's videos. You'll find the perfect rice pilaf. This is a very special long grain rice. I get it from the Himalayan mountains. It's amazing. Okay, we'll get this out of the way. Aha! The plate, just the one I was looking for. I really like this Polynesian style plate here. Kind of like a seafood platter, really nice. By the way, this is very, very expensive china that I'm using in some of my videos. If you're wondering about the brand, you know, I'm happy to share that with you. This one right here, Steel Light. Really, really high quality stuff, and well, they gave it to me, therefore they're one of the sponsors. Yeah, I like them. Okay, so we're moving right along here. Oh, look at those Brussels sprouts. That's the real deal right there. They look perfect. Okay, they got a nice sizzle going on there. So earlier today I was prepping out a relish, and I've got a piece of the awesome Hawaiian pineapple. I'm gonna move this for just a second. Show you this ceramic knife in action here. So just a couple of quick slices like this is all I'm looking for. And with those slices, I'm gonna make a garnish. 1, 2, 3, you can see what I got going on there. I'm looking for kind of just a long, like a julienne slice like this, okay? Actually, I only need a little bit. So I'm gonna use, let's see, I'm gonna use 5 of these in my plating here. The rest of this, of course, doesn't go to waste. It goes right in my relish. Here's the relish. I made this a little earlier today. Very simple. Quick recipe for you here. We've got some pineapple, diced tomatoes, a little bit of shallot in there, some vinegar, some salt, some pepper, some olive oil, some seasonings. Yeah, and when you're all done, you're going to have something like this. I'm missing some fresh herbs. Basil would be amazing in here. Okay, so plating up this dish here today, I'm going to go with some pineapple around the perimeter like this. It's just what I was thinking about, like that. Okay, I'm going to go with a little bit of balsamic reduction, just a few drops like this around the plate. Just going to add a little bit of contrast and flavor. I've also got a white balsamic reduction. I think it's really cool stuff, and I want to just put a little bit on there too. It's going to add a little bit of contrast. I'm putting a touch of rice right in the center of this plate, just like that. A couple of Brussels sprouts around the perimeter here. They look roasted, but they're not. They're actually sauteed. Okay. Couple up, couple down, just like this. Yeah. Put that one down, up and down. Okay, a little contrast going on there. And the fish. Oh yeah. Told you about the fish a little earlier. And yeah, it's looking really good. There we go. So the fish goes right on top like this. Oh, what do you think? Make sure to leave a comment so you tell everybody what you're thinking and how this looks. Yeah, a little bit of the relish right on top. And that right there is a perfect Mahi Mahi, Polynesian style. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsors. They're right there. And yeah, get cooking. Have a great day. Here, I wanted to show you the difference between American Cherry. This is American Cherry with the food safe varnish finish, and this is American Cherry with the just regular mineral oil finish. It's a little dry, ready to be oiled. I just wanted to show you the difference next to each other here, okay? If you need to get either of these woods or quotes, just contact your sponsor. And this is made in the USA, super high quality. This is a slight eased edge right here. It's just sanded very, very slightly. And wow, beautiful wood. I love it. Great for an office, desk, bar top, kitchen countertops, or whatever. Contact your sponsor to get pricing today. Have a great day. This is quality, people. Quality. Made to last.